If you are looking for an amazing DIY paint for almost any surface, you have to check out Country Chic Paint.
The paint went on perfectly and the color was more than I thought.
It was my first time working with chalk paint and I was so impressed at how smoothly it went on.
And it can be used for indoor and outdoor surfaces, which I love.
I love that there was basically no prep work. The coverage is great so I can do less paint coats.
Did I mention they're eco-friendly with no harsh chemicals or harsh odors?
I love the plastic jar it comes in, and I love that it is paint and primer in one.
And y'all, when I say the coverage is amazing, just look at it cover this.
I thought this process would be really difficult, but Country Chic made it so easy.
Both the paint and the top coat dry so quickly.
It's virtually odorless, so I never had to worry about getting a headache.
And I love the brush that they sent with it. The paint went on so nicely.
You also have so many colors to choose from soft to very colorful, bright colors, which are beautiful.
I was blown away by the coverage.
I know I won't be buying any other paint.
Y'all, this paint is the truth.